In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to another page on Wix. If you're crafting a website and want to seamlessly connect your visitors to different pages or external sites, understanding this process is essential. Let's dive right in and take a practical look at how to make this happen. First, let's begin by selecting any element on your Wix page. For our demonstration, I'll choose a specific text element that reads, "I'm a link to Google." This could be any text element on your page that you'd like to turn into a link. Once you click on this text, you'll notice a range of options appear, each with an identifiable icon. What we're focused on here is the link icon. It's typically represented by a chain link symbol. Upon clicking the link icon, you'll be presented with various choices. You can link to a different page within your site, target a particular web address, connect to sections or anchors within the same page, and even set up links to emails or phone numbers. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to link to an external web address, which in this case is Google. Select the option labeled web address. This is where you'll enter the URL of the page you want to link to. So for our example, we'll type in Google's URL. Here, Wix also gives you the flexibility to decide how your link will open. You can choose to have the link open in a new window, which is often recommended for external sites, ensuring that your visitors don't navigate away from your site completely. Alternatively, you can let it open in the current window. Once you've made your selection, click Done to save your changes. Now, I want to emphasize that this linking feature isn't limited to just text elements. For instance, let's consider a button on your Wix site. Just like with text, you can link buttons to any URL. Simply select the button, repeat the process of choosing the link icon, enter your desired web address, set your preference for how the link opens, and then save. The final step is to publish your changes. By doing so, you make sure the links are live and functional on your website. After publishing, it's always a good practice to test the links. Visit your site as a user would and click on the linked elements to ensure they direct your visitors to the intended page. And there you have it. Linking different elements on your Wix site to various pages or external sites is as straightforward as that. Mastering this handy feature will greatly enhance your site's usability and overall visitor experience. Thanks for watching, and happy linking!